welcome back to Us Beyond. We are doing a barbecue. We have potatoes, we are grilling chicken, and so far I have started my potatoes. I am gonna start grilling some chicken. So Vic is not here right now. He went to the store to grab some other things that we needed, and so it's the day before Valentine's Day, and I decided that maybe we could celebrate a little early. Look who's back.
What's up, you guys? I'm back from the store.
And our chicken is looking really good because, you know, I made it.
So I am doing homework, as you guys can see. And honestly, this is like a pretty often thing, huh?
Yeah.
Like usually this is what we do. We come out here, put on the pig, and then we either throw whatever we throw. I mean, we've made chicken, carne asada.
We made tacos.
We've made tacos. We've made wings. We've made burgers, hot dogs.
Those instant soups.
Oh yeah, we made an instant soup on a little pot. We've made, what else? We've made shrimp and salmon on there. We made a lot of things on there. So usually this is what we do. Usually when we have like not much to do and we just want to spend like the night together, we grill on this little pig. And then look, you guys, como va el pollito nomás, see. It's really grilling, and you can see all the juices are sizzling down there in the fire. We got the potatoes ready right there. We got more chicken right there. But this is looking bomb. It's looking.
So I'm gonna start doing my margaritas. For this one, I made my own, which is strawberry with sugar and water. And I have my mint, my lemon, my salt, ice, and of course, you can't forget about it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the strawberry puree. I'm gonna be adding maybe like, okay, maybe like 10 spoons, and the ice. I'm gonna add a little bit of mint, some lemon juice, 2 big full shots. Okay. We're gonna add some lemon on the rinsing. And that. Some salt. And it should be looking like this. Okay. So I'm gonna blend this up. Okay guys, so it's all done. As you guys can see, I did add more ice because it wasn't quite enough. Okay, so they are all done now. And what I like to do is add a little bit of mint on the top, just for like, you know, just to make it nice. Like that. Okay, so this is how they should be looking. And just to maybe add a little bit of lemon on top, just for that little hint. Okay, and that should be it.
Look, everybody, Emma made these margaritas. She's turning into a bartender now too. You can put a little mint on the top, all fancy, with the salt on the rim, and there.
You know, you guys can always sponsor me.
Look good. Sponsor us, please.
Oh,
We like to drink. They are good.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get started with the little chicken. So something happened. So Vic was telling me that the chicken, he was telling me that the chicken was not good and that it wasn't like ready yet. He burned the chicken.
Oh, you're a liar.
Any words, sir?
I haven't burned nothing. I've been doing homework. Who threw the chicken on?
Me.
If I would have thrown the chicken on, I would have taken it.
Who was watching the chicken while I was doing the margaritas?
The chicken was watching the chicken.
The chicken was watching the chicken. You are the chicken, Mr. Burnt.
No.
Look, he burned the chicken. Well, I mean, it looks really good either way, but he burned the chicken.
Burn it. Ooh, that one's burned. You should take that one out.
That one's burned. You should take that one out. He burned the chicken. Okay, guys, so I just started adding some tacos in here.
That's messed up. Why you trying to catch me off guard like that?
You want to sing to me again?
Which one do you want to hear?
Surprise me.
Oh, yeah. The new one by Calibre, la de Te vi y te reconocí enseguida, te volvería a elegir en esta vida y en la siguiente, hacernos viejos, llámate eternamente, te volvería a elegir una y mil veces las necesarias del cielo. Why you put me on a spot like that? Me pongo bien rojo.
I like it.
No, I don't like.
I like. Okay, guys, so we ate y nos quedó
Ya comí y deseché otra vez y otra vez a comer.
We're gonna eat some corn. And then we also had some sweet potatoes.
We got real potatoes, not sweet potatoes. Alright, everybody, after a little bit of volleyball exercise that I'm obviously out of shape for, this is what our corns look like. They're a little burnt, well, probably halfway burnt. Mine's like this, Emma's is like that. It's okay though, we don't mind it, and that's how we put lemon on it. We put the lemon like that when it's nice and hot, and then just gonna put a little bit of salt on it. It's gonna be real good right now. Let's see, taste trial. It's good?
It's really good.
I bet.
Corns
corns on the grill are my favorite. I love corns on the grill. I love to do this, honestly. It's one of our favorite things to do. And I mean, I think the whole point of this video was to kind of show you guys a little bit of what we do. So it's something cool, and we just wanted to show you guys what we like to do on our spare time and just, you know, just have fun. But anyways, I think that's it. I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of seeing us eat the whole day. We've just been cooking and eating. So with this corn, this is how we say goodbye. And it's been Vic
and Emma,
and it's us beyond. See you guys later.